From N5 to JLPT N4. This is lesson number 42. So today let's talk about this grammar pattern, のに, which means but, although. のに means but, although, even though. For example, 雨なのに means even though it's raining. 学生なのに means although he or she is a student. This grammar format is used when the result is surprising or not what the speaker expected. Key idea is this: expectation versus reality. First, we expect something like a expected situation, but the result is different. In the case like this, we use のに to show the difference. For example, I studied a lot, but I failed. たくさん勉強したのにテストに落ちました。So you are expecting to pass the test because you studied a lot, but in reality, the result was not what you expected.Therefore, you can use のに meaning but, although, even though. Grammar format is this. You can use plain form verbs, adjectives, and nouns. But when you use na-adjectives and nouns, you need to have this na before のに. So be careful with those two. I will show you two more examples.Even though it's spring, it's not warm. 春なのに暖かくない。Since it's spring, you are expecting the temperature to be warm, but it's not. In reality, it's different. Therefore, you can use のに meaning even though. 春 is a noun, therefore, you need to have this na before のに。Another example. Even though I hurried, I didn't make it in time. 急いだのに間に合わなかった。So you were thinking you would make it because you hurried, but in reality you didn't. So the result is different from what you expected. Therefore you can use のに meaning even though.Now, I'd like you to do this exercise. Stop the video and translate the sentences. When you are ready, please come back. Now the answers. This restaurant is famous, but there aren't many customers. このレストランは有名なのにお客さんが少ない。Since this restaurant is famous,You expect the restaurant to have many customers, but in reality, there are not many. Therefore, のに meaning but. 有名 is na-adjective, therefore you need to have this na before のに. Next one. Even though he promised, he didn't come. 約束したのに彼は来なかった。Since he promised, you expected him to come, but in reality he didn't. Therefore, のに is used, meaning even though. Last one. Even though I practice a lot, I'm not getting better. たくさん練習しているのに上手にならない。Since you are practicing a lot, you are expecting to get better.But in reality, you are not. Therefore, のに is used, meaning even though. Now I will read the sentences, so please repeat after me. このレストランは有名なのにお客さんが少ない。約束したのに彼は来なかった。 たくさん練習しているのに上手にならない。Very good job. So lastly, I have this homework for you. Translate the sentences into Japanese and put your answers in the comments below. I will check and collect your homework. みんな今日もありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。